This man won a Nobel Prize for cracking his knuckles for 50 years. Dr. Donald cracked the knuckles on his left hand for over 50 years. पर उन्होंने अपने राइट हैंड के लिए कभी भी ये नहीं किया. क्यों? Just to prove that knuckles crack करने से arthritis नहीं होता है. Funniest part, he won the Ig Nobel Prize for this. आपको पता है ये कोई असली नोबेल प्राइज नहीं है. It's a parody version of Nobel Prizes that's given out for researches that makes you laugh and think. But still, this helped us debunk one of the most common myths in Indian households. And if you want to know the science behind it, caption पढ़ लो यार.